What is padding top property? Well, padding top property represents CSS property that we use to set distance between top border of HTML element and content of that HTML element. Let's see some examples. For this part, I have already prepared simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has head and the body. Inside of body, we have just one simple text paragraph, and our text paragraph has ID attribute with the value p1. Inside of head, we have title for our HTML document, and also we have style block where we're going to define all CSS styles. So currently we have just p1 ID selector that will select our text paragraph from body that has ID attribute with the value p1, and our paragraph will have border CSS property, so we will have border that will be 2 pixels solid orange, and also text inside of text paragraph will be aligned in the center. I save this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. And this is our index web page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, so the thing that I want to do for our text paragraph, let's define padding top CSS property. Let's set value 25 pixels. So let's save this change. Let's go back in our web browser and let's refresh it. So now we have that additional space between content of our text paragraph and border on the top. Okay, let's analyze our web page. So let's click on the right click. Let's click on inspect. So now on the right hand side, we can see structure of our HTML document. So let's expand head, let's expand body, let's expand styles as well. So basically these are styles that we have applied on our paragraph. If we click on a paragraph, down here we can see all these styles. So basically for padding top property, we can uncheck this value just to see how web page looks like without it. So here it is. Okay. And also for this value of 25 pixels, we can click on it and we can use arrows up and down to increase or to decrease this value. Okay, instead of pixels, we can use other values. For example, we can use M. So let's try that. Let's set 2.5 M. So now when we refresh our web page, you can see our top padding with M values. Okay. Also, we can use, for example, points. Let's save this. Now when we refresh our web page, yep, points are quite smaller than M values, so let's increase this a little bit. Okay. And also instead of points, for example, we can use percents. So let's set 10%. So in this specific case, this means that our top padding will take 10% of complete height of our body. Okay, so this is how we can use padding top CSS property. So feel free to play around with this. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.